Hi, it's Shamira from ESA Education. When you look at a picture of our solar system, the planets seem to be nicely aligned, with similar distances separating one planet to the next. But in reality, this is not the case. Let's investigate the relative distances of each planet in our solar system.
Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Close to its center is our closest star, the Sun. Orbiting the Sun, there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are also dwarf planets like Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of comets and asteroids. In this activity, we will first try to guess and later analyze the average distances of these bodies from the Sun via a folding game. For this activity, you will need an A3 or A4 sized paper, scissors, colored pencils or markers. Cut the paper lengthwise into 3 thin strips. You will need 2 thin strips of paper for this activity. Draw the Sun at one end of the sheet of paper and label it Sun. Do the same on the other end of the sheet, but this time draw Pluto and label it Pluto. Now, guess where the 8 planets and the asteroid belt might be located in our solar system, and draw and label them in order. Are you confident in your guess? We'll now compare it to the correct answers. Repeat this on another strip of paper. Draw the Sun and Pluto at opposite ends of the sheet. Now fold the paper fully in half and draw Uranus. Fold the paper between Uranus and Pluto, then draw and label the fold Neptune. Fold the paper between the Sun and Uranus and draw and label the fold Saturn. Fold the paper between Saturn and the Sun, draw and label the fold Jupiter. Now fold the paper between Jupiter and the Sun, draw and label the fold the asteroid belt. Fold the paper between the asteroid belt and the Sun and draw and label the fold Mars. Fold the paper between Mars and the Sun, draw and label it Earth. Now, if you're still able, draw and label Mercury and Venus respectively, in between the Sun and the Earth. Compare your 2 drawings. Did this game change your perspective on the relative distances of planets in our solar system? Did you also know that the Sun contains 99.86% of the solar system's known mass? That leaves only 1.14% for all the planets, dwarf planets, moons, comets, and asteroids.